ready to transform your expertise into a powerful online presence with a blog that captivates and converts. Let's unlock the secrets to building a fantastic blog within Kajabi. Step 1. Navigating to your blog's home. Once logged into Kajabi, locate and click the Websites tab in the left-hand menu. Then select Pages. This is where your blogging journey begins. Step 2. Creating your blog. Within the Pages section, you'll find a prominent New Page button. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Blog. This initiates the creation of your dedicated blogging space within Kajabi. Step 3. Choosing a template. Kajabi offers a selection of visually appealing templates. Browse through them and select one that resonates with your brand aesthetic and your audience. Don't worry, you can customize it extensively later. Step 4. Essential blog setup. Let's give your blog an identity. Enter a compelling blog title, a brief yet informative description that tells visitors what to expect, and choose a primary color that aligns with your brand. This sets the foundation for your blog's look and feel. Step 5. Crafting your first masterpiece. Now for the exciting part. A circumflex euros. Creating content. Navigate to the Post section and click New Post. This is where you'll write, design, and publish your valuable insights. Step 6. Content creation and optimization. Within the Post editor, you'll write your blog post just as you would in any word processor. Utilize headings to structure your content. Break up text with paragraphs and use bold or italics for emphasis. Don't forget to add engaging images or videos. Step 7. Boosting discoverability with SEO. Scroll down within the Post editor to find the SEO settings. Optimize your post title and description with relevant keywords. Your audience is searching for. This is crucial for driving organic traffic to your blog. Step 8. Polishing your blog's appearance. Return to your blog's main settings by clicking on the Design tab. Here you can fine-tune the layout, adjust header and footer elements, and ensure your blog is visually appealing and easy to navigate. By following these steps, you'll have a professional, engaging Kajabi blog ready to share your expertise, connect with your audience, and attract valuable organic traffic. Happy blogging!